Well, hi there. I'm Kristen, and I'm with One Focus Property Management, and today I'm taking you on the tour of 236 Pennsylvania Avenue, apartment number 2 in Mill Hall, Pennsylvania. This is a second floor apartment with 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and some really fun features that you're surely gonna love. So sit back and relax. I'm gonna walk you through, show you every fantastic detail about this place, and after I do that, I'm going to tell you how to make this the next place that you're definitely wanting to call home. So let's get started. So we're starting outside, so you can take a look at the parking here on the building. And if you are looking at the very front of the building, we are on the right-hand side, and the door to go upstairs for this apartment and one of the other ones is right inside here. So when we come through the entryway, a really nice thing to notice here is it is a very wide stairwell. So getting your furniture up here into your apartment isn't going to be as much of a challenge. We're going to come right down here, straight into the apartment. So through the entryway, I'm going to go to the right side to the first bedroom here. It's a long, sort of narrow bedroom, but I really think that you could do a king-size bed if you put it right back in here. And then there is more than enough space here to be able to dedicate whatever extra furniture you have. And if that's an issue, you have this fantastically huge walk-in closet. So you can put your dressers in here, hang clothes, all of that great stuff. We're gonna go through here. We're gonna take another right as we go through the entryway again into your eat-in kitchen. Nice area right here to be able to place a table and chair set. And then you have this great L-shaped bank of cabinets, counters, and full-size appliances. Across the hallway here is your full bathroom. As you can see, you've got a nice tall shower head, full-size bath, this cutesy little pedestal sink, and a medicine cabinet mirror. There's built-in storage here in the hallway, which is really great because you can put your toilet linens and things like that, your bathroom linens, it's a much better word, in here, so you don't have to look at it or have it stacked somewhere else. And then you come right into your living room. Now I love the living room because it gets a lot of natural light. You also have this nice wide arch doorway too coming into the space, and this will easily accommodate your furniture and kind of whatever other use you want to have for this space. And this also leads into the main bedroom here, and I call it the main bedroom because she's the biggest. King size bed all day long. You could put 2 in here if you really felt like it, bounce from one to the other. I don't know if I recommend that, but like you could carefully. Additional furniture. And then you also have another huge closet. Maybe not as big as that first one because you walk in, but you got shelf, hang bar. It's deep, it's wide, and it provides a lot of storage opportunity. So I've shown you everything about this apartment, and I'm sure you're ready to make this your home. So what you need to do to make that happen is go to our website at www.onefocuspm.com. You're going to look at the listing and be able to find all the information about the property. You are going to be able to book your tour, and you will even be able to submit your application. If you'd like to talk to a live person today, give us a call at the office at 570-505-3347. At One Focus Property Management, we pride ourselves in helping people just like you find that next place that they're calling home. So check out the website, give us a call today, because I don't know if you can tell, I'm anxious to help you make this your home.